Something I've been pondering for a while now is how to easily replicate a physical object. These are clips to attach a finishing plate to a blind. As you can see, one's broken. Actually, I broke a couple. So I looked online for a bit of inspiration, and this is the process I came up with. In essence, it's 3 steps. Take a photo, clean it up a bit, convert it to a 3D model, and then slice and print. It would only really work for items that have a 2-dimensional shape. I could of course just have bought some, but where's the fun in that? Before I take a photo, I wanted to just increase the contrast a bit by making the one side black with a Sharpie. Next, I just put it on this piece of paper to create a white background. And then I took a few photos, trying to limit the shadows. I just opened the image in Windows Paint and cropped it down. Cool. Now I can just darken the areas where the light was reflecting on the black a bit. And then also fix the sharper shadows by drawing just a white box over it. All this doesn't have to actually be perfect, it's just to create a high contrast. Okay, once that's done, just save the image as PNG. And for the second step, I can just open this file in Microsoft 3D Builder. It's a free program on the Microsoft Store. As you can see, it already created an inverted 3D object. Now you can just click the inverse button at the top to create a normal 3D object. You can also play around with the sliders at the top to adjust it a bit, but this looks pretty good. Next, I want to calibrate the scale of the clip, so I measured the length, and that comes to 46 millimeters. Then back in 3D Builder, click on the scale button and then the Y parameter and set to 46. Also make sure that this little lock icon is on. Now I can just go File, Save As, STL. And import into Cura or any other 3D printer slicer. For this print I set my infill to 100% and print it with a brim. And print. "20 minutes later, this is what it looks like. Actually, it's pretty darn close. Let me just clean it up a bit. Very close to the real thing. Could have made it a little bit higher, but otherwise spot on. Now for the moment of truth. Does it fit? Yep, works pretty well. Little bit tight on this side, but I can file it down. Okay, that is it. The final product. Thanks for watching.